Hello students, kindly take out Standard 6 Literature Chapter 3 and the chapter name is Cat's Paradise. Dear students, it is an interesting story. Now you all of you listen to me carefully. I was then 2 years old, the fattest and most naive cat you have ever seen. At that tender age, I presumptuously disdained all the pleasures of the house and did not give thanks to Providence for having placed me with your aunt. That wonderful woman adored me. At the bottom of a woodroom, I had a real bedroom, fitted out with a comforter and 3 blankets. The food was as good as the bed. No bread, no soup, nothing but meat, lovely red meat. Dear students, naive means lack of experience and knowledge, and presumptuously means confidently. Well, in the midst of all this sweetness, I had but one desire, one dream, to slip out of a half opened window and escape over the rooftops. Kiros seemed insipid. The softness of my bed made me feel ill. I was fat and I disgusted myself. I was bored with being happy all day long. Disdained means refused. Providence means God. Insipid means not interesting. I must tell you that my stretching my neck, I had been able to see a roof just outside the window. On that day, 4 cats played there on the blue tiles in the warm sun. Fur bristling and tails erect. Students, bristling means short steep. With every appearance of joy. I had never seen anything so extraordinary. From then on, I was fixed in the notion that happiness was to be found on the roofs, beneath that window so carefully closed. Closed, in fact, just as carefully as the doors of the cupboard where the meat was kept. I decided to run away. There had to be 2 other things in life besides juicy flesh. Out there was the unknown, the ideal existence. One day, someone forgot to push the kitchen window shut. I escaped onto a small roof that I found just beneath it. How beautiful were the rooftops! The large gutters along the edge exhaled delicious odors, and I stalked voluptuous down them. My paws were immersed in the fine mud, which had a certain infinite sweetness and warmth. I felt as though I was walking over velvet. The pleasant heat of the sun seemed to be dissolving my fat. Dear students, gutter means a shallow through fixed beneath the edge of a roof for carrying off rainwater. Velvet means a closely woven fabric of silk, cotton, or nylon that has a thick, short peel on one side. Immerse means deep or submerge in a liquid. And voluptuous means relating to or characterized by luxury, sensual pleasure. I cannot hide from you the fact that I was trembling in every line. There was nothing terrifying in my joy. I remember above all the terrible shock I felt. It actually made me lose my footing on the tiles. When three cats rolled down from the top of a house and came up to me meowing frightenedly, I practically fainted, but they simply called me a first scaredy cat and explained that all the mewing was just a joke. So I joined in. It was delightful. These bravos weren't as fat as I was, however, and made fun of me when I slipped and rolled like a ball across the tin roof heated by. Students, turn the page. Heated by the sun. One old Tom was particularly friendly. He offered to educate me, and I accepted the offer eagerly. Students, the rest of this part we will discuss in my next video. Till then, thank you.